Alright, this is Dalton and Chad from Coyote Classics, back with another badass muscle car. Today we're going to be checking out this 1966 GTO. As always, for price, pictures, details, go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. The link will be in the description of this video. Jump in, go around it, show you all the details, and then we'll take her down the road.
That's my favorite part. This car is an absolutely stunning factory color combination. This factory turquoise paint is just gorgeous, and they did a really nice job underneath the hood.
It's got a monster of an engine too.
That sounds awesome. Let's go ahead and see what this sounds like out the tailpipe. There we go, now we can hear each other talk and think, right? Yeah, underneath the hood. This is a built 455, Fi fuel injection, tons of horsepower, pushing over 400 horse, and they did a beautiful job on the restoration.
Yeah, and it's backed up by a 4-speed manual transmission, making this thing even more fun to drive.
Yeah, that's cool. Serpentine belt system on it, power brakes, disc brakes on the front. You can just see the quality of it. They went ahead and all new control arm bushings, bolts, just a ton of new parts went in this restoration. And when they did the paint job, they did a very nice job. It was done a few years ago, but they did a beautiful job on the bottom side of the hood, door jambs, bottom side of the trunk lid as well. You can tell that the doors and hood and everything was completely dismantled, painted, and all put back together.
This has got to be one of my favorite colors on a GTO, or really any muscle car.
I'm trying to think of it's L-L, so it was a no vinyl top car, original turquoise color, Marina Turquoise, something like that. I've got it listed on the website. I'm just not sure the exact name right now. It's got a few little paint imperfections. It's not perfect and mint, but it's gorgeous and straight.
Absolutely. It's something you can take to any local car show and be proud of, but yet you're not afraid to drive it. You know, it's not a trailer queen.
Yeah. Exactly. The front bumper's all been re-chromed. They did a beautiful job on that. The chrome's nice around the headlight surrounds as well. Grill's in great shape. Appears to be kind of original. You can see just a little bit of tarnish around the just around the edge of the grill is all. As we look up and down the side of the car, paint and body on it's just beautiful. It is your favorite car, Teddy. Isn't that cool?
What do you think of it? Good looking color, huh?
I love it, I love it. What's not to like, you know?
I know.
Yeah, it's nice.
Teddy, you taught me about everything I known about GTOs. You've had a lot of them, haven't you?
I've liked them, you know, and I used to collect them, and play with them, and buy them and sell them, and now I can't afford them.
No, it's crazy. They've gotten so damn expensive, haven't they?
It's crazy, yeah. They're a popular car.
Yeah, this one's got a built 455, and it's absolutely fantastic.
Oh, really?
Fast, fun. 4-speed.
Yeah, beautiful paint job. I like the color.
Original color. Do you remember what the color was called on this? It was like Marina Turquoise, something like that?
I never had one this color, but
yeah,
I never did.
Yeah, it's really cool.
I like it though.
So as we go around this a little bit, there's a few little paint imperfections. As we kind of go through here, there's just a few little tiny little kind of stress crack paint right there. A couple more right here. It's got the chrome decor on it, but like I said before, super solid floors, frame, trunk floor, and a really nice straight body. As far as our tires go, we got two 1570 15s on the front, brand new ones on the back. We'll get to that tire size too. I think they're 235 70s as well on the back, and this got a really aggressive stance.
255 70s.
255 70s, all right. Windshield's in nice shape. As far as the, we go over top of the roof, all that is nice and straight, nice and clean. Another very important part of these GTOs, so many people ask, is how is the back package tray? Back package tray area is excellent. You can see here the factory seams, no rust back up underneath or in the top, no bubbles, nothing like that. But the biggest thing on this car is the stance and how straight it is. Back bumper chrome is nice, tail lights are good, chrome around the back, trunk lid is excellent as well. Trunk lid really fits nice, both sides. Don't you love the painted little fins here on the tail lights? It's just a great touch on a 1966.
66 and 67 GTOs are probably about as cool as you get, in my opinion.
They're great cars. Over the wheel well is absolutely mint. There's not a bubble, no issues there whatsoever. Really nice, solid quarter. We got 255 70-15s in the back. 215 70s in the front. As we go back here to the package tray is in great shape as well. I don't know what else you could do to really make this car much better. It's got it all. Look at the door jamb paint, like I said before, the trunk jamb paint, bottom of the hood paint, it's just all super clean. New scuff plates were installed. There's another cool GTO that just came off the trailer this morning.
From the same guy. I mean, that guy, and both of them are big motor, fun cars.
Yeah.
Both in high impact, beautiful colors too.
Yeah, great color combinations on both cars. Rust-free doors. We'll get to the outside part of the door here pretty quick, but look at the inside corner right here. It's never had a speck of rust in these doors. Inside door jamb paint's nice. Door panels are perfect. Armrest, bases, all that is excellent. It's got all the correct stoppers, rubbers. Everything was replaced during the restoration. New window felts, roof rail rubbers, seats, chrome around the seats. I mean, great car. Dash pad really is in nice shape. Carpet's nice. The wood grain on the dash is all good. It's got an AM/FM digital radio. It's got aftermarket gauges, just because it would have had the factory lights. Does not have a factory tack. It's got the tachometer on the Fi-Tech. It's got a Hirsch shifter. I think the little button here is a kind of a line lock. Dome light cover was just a little loose there, and also the headliner is new and it's nice, but there is some wrinkles in the headliner. Back seat is perfect. Armrest, pad, bases are all brand new. Cranks are nice. There's the corner of the outside of the door is perfect too.
We finally got a nice day where we can do some videos.
We're going to try to get about 6 videos done today. We've had nothing but cold and rain for like 2 weeks, so finally a nice sunny day. Driver's side's perfectly straight as well. Bottom of the quarters are awesome. We got just a little paint scratch right here. Very small. No bubbles, blisters, no issues whatsoever. The bottom of the quarter and the bottom of the door, fender, all of that is excellent. And to us here at Coyote Classics, that's the main thing. We want a solid car. We want a mechanically solid car. We want a good floors, frame, trunk, body. This car's got it all. I guess we kind of also like them to squeal the tires a little bit.
Yeah, we do. We like them real fast.
Here in just about 45 seconds, we're going to find out how fast this GTO is, huh?
Yes, sir.
When you're looking at a GTO, 66, 67 on up, 242 in the VIN, the first 3 digits, tells you without a doubt it's a real GTO. Windows go up and down nice, the seals are good. Let's get behind the wheel and take this baby for a spin. As far as our odometer, 64,211 miles on the odometer. We don't know how many times or if that has switched around.
I love the Fi-Tech fuel injection system on this too. Makes it easy to start.
Electric fuel pump. They did a nice job with that as well. Yeah, very easy to start.
And the tack works.
Yeah, this tack works, but you also have the Fi-Tech tack here too.
Yeah, you can go to a gauge setting on there. You have to show you all your gauges there too.
Temperature gauge, oil pressures, gauge all works as well. Gas gauge works. We've already talked about the horn. A heater does not work on this, guys. The heater fan does not work, but it's all moves freely. Damn near almost too warm. You want to have the
Windows down.
don't
I
we?
know it. Went from yesterday wanting to have heat on to today windows down.
Yeah.
That's how it goes in Iowa. This is a super sharp car. One of my favorites we got on the lot.
That's great. Well, Dalton are all your favorites.
I know, I got a problem with that. I like them all too much.
Speedometer works as well. 12 volt posi.
That's for sure.
Definitely. Yeah, this thing rips. 12 volt posi, 373 gears with a 4-speed, well over 400 horse. Guys, if you want a fast, fun muscle car, this is it. No excuses. Awesome stance.
And in a beautiful color with a 4-speed real GTO. What more does the guy want?
Like I said, this car is just built to have fun with. You know, it's not a trailer queen like you talked earlier. A tight ratio 4-speed as well.
Yeah, this thing screams.
It's absolutely crazy. Crazy fast. I love it. Love it. 100 pounds oil pressure. Temperature gauge is at 190. We've let her warm up nice. Speedometer works great. Did that just rip the tires loose when I downshifted
I think
it?
so.
Wow. Alright, so now we've had our fun. We want to drive it very respectfully. We can do that as well. The steering's nice and tight. Power disc brakes. Goes down the road absolutely perfect. Again, 12 volt, 373 gears if you're wondering. This thing still pulls in fourth gear, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
All the window fills and stuff, it's super quiet in here as well.
Yeah. And if you go on the website, coyoteclassics.com, there's a bunch of photos of the underneath. Tons of new parts on this thing. You know, it was built to handle the power that motor's putting out and built to put a smile on your face, really.
Yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it. The last two videos we did, they were both super cool cars. We just did a video on that awesome 70 Buick.
Yep.
And that thing put a smile on my face. And this thing does about the same exact thing.
Yeah, sweet car. Again, link to the website is in the description of this video. Check it out. We can help with financing, arrange shipping. Fun car.